Welcome to the Bytebeat Tech YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure a Cloudflare tunnel for your home network. This allows you to securely expose your private servers to the public using a subdomain with an SSL certificate. To do this, you will need a domain name pointed to Cloudflare. You can buy a domain from any provider. For this video, I am using an .lk domain to configure my tunnel. Let's get started. First, sign up for Cloudflare. I'm using my Gmail account. Enter your domain name and select Quick Scan DNS Records. Wait a few moments for the scan to complete, and then select the free plan. It will show you current running DNS recodes. Next, we need to point our domain's name servers to Cloudflare. I'll copy the name servers provided by Cloudflare and paste them into my .lk domain registry site. This process is generally the same for all domain providers. I'm setting the TTL to 3600, 1 hour. Note that the .lk registry has a manual verification process, which might be different from other providers. Once that's done, we just need to wait a bit for the records to update. A few minutes have passed, and my records are updated. Now, let's move to the next step. Navigate to the ZeroTrust section under Networks. Choose a unique name for your account. In the Plans section, select the free plan. You will need to add a payment method, but don't worry, Cloudflare will not charge you for this free bundle. Now, give your tunnel a name. To connect your home lab, you need to install a small piece of software. I'll be using Docker because containers are lightweight, but you can install this on other operating systems as well. I am running a Proxmox server in my home lab, with an Ubuntu server installed as a virtual machine. I'm going to install the Cloudflare container on this Ubuntu server, so don't worry, I'll walk you through the process. I'll show you how to set up Docker and run the Cloudflare container. All links and commands are in the comments section below. Use PuTTY to log into the Ubuntu server. I'm using the apt repository method for the installation. First, copy and paste this list of commands into your terminal. Wait a few minutes for the process to finish, and then we will run the final install command. Copy and paste the command from Cloudflare. It will automatically pull the image to the server. Pro tip: if you want to run the container in the background, remember to use the D flag. Everything looks good. Now, let's create a subdomain and link our local server to this tunnel. For public access, I'll be using my Proxmox server, which is running on the local IP address 192.168.1.200. Important: if your local service is already running on HTTPS, make sure to enable No TLS Verify in the settings, then save. We have successfully installed a Cloudflare tunnel on our home network. You can now expose your private services to the public securely with an SSL certificate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.